Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of The Richest Man in Babylon by the brilliant author George S. Clason. This book has captivated readers for decades with its profound insights on wealth accumulation. You know, what's fascinating is that the lessons from this book still hold immense value in our modern world. That's why we're here to uncover the top 3 crucial lessons that will revolutionize your financial journey. Let's jump right in. Lesson 1: Pay yourself first. You know, in today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in paying bills, expenses, and meeting financial obligations. But what about paying yourself? That's where the magic happens. Paying yourself first means setting aside a portion of your income for savings or investments before anything else. It's about making yourself a financial priority and securing your future prosperity. So, why is this important? Well, it all comes down to the power of compound interest. By consistently setting aside money, you can harness the incredible potential of compound interest, which allows your wealth to grow exponentially over time. Imagine this: you allocate a percentage of your income to savings or investments each month. Over the years, that money earns interest, and that interest starts earning interest too. It's like a snowball effect, building up your wealth faster and faster. Now, how can you implement this lesson in your daily life? Let me share some practical tips with you. First, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your paycheck to a separate savings account. By doing this, you remove the temptation to spend that money impulsively, and it ensures consistent contributions to your wealth-building journey. Second, start small and gradually increase your savings rate. If you're just beginning, don't worry about the amount. The key is to develop the habit of paying yourself first. Over time, you can increase the percentage you allocate to savings, allowing your wealth to grow even more. Finally, stay committed to your financial goals. Treat paying yourself first as a non-negotiable expense. Just like you wouldn't skip paying your rent or utilities, prioritize your own financial future with the same level of importance. Remember, my friend, paying yourself first is not a selfish act. It's a smart and essential strategy for creating long-term wealth. By taking this step, you're setting yourself up for financial security and abundance. So, take action today. Start paying yourself first and watch your wealth soar as compound interest works its magic. Your future self will thank you for making this wise decision. Lesson 2: Live within your means. Living within your means means aligning your expenses with your income to ensure you're not spending more than you earn. It's a fundamental principle for building a solid financial foundation. Let's dive deeper into this concept. One powerful tool for managing your finances is budgeting. Budgeting involves tracking your income and expenses to gain a clear understanding of where your money is going. It allows you to make informed decisions about your spending habits and prioritize what truly matters. By creating a budget, you can see how much money is coming in and how much is going out. This awareness helps you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and redirect those funds towards savings or investments. Another essential aspect of living within your means is distinguishing between wants and needs. It's easy to get caught up in a cycle of instant gratification, buying things we desire but may not truly need. The key is to make conscious spending decisions. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this a want or a need? By differentiating between the two, you can prioritize your spending on essential items while reducing unnecessary expenses. This practice allows you to allocate more resources towards achieving your financial goals. Now, let's talk practical advice. To create a budget, start by listing all your sources of income and categorizing your expenses. Identify fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and loan payments, as well as variable expenses such as entertainment and dining out. Next, make necessary adjustments to align your budget with your financial goals. Determine areas where you can reduce spending and allocate those funds towards savings or debt repayment. Remember, every dollar saved brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Additionally, regularly review and update your budget as circumstances change. This ensures your financial plan remains flexible and adaptable to your evolving needs and goals. Living within your means may require some discipline and sacrifice, but the long-term benefits are invaluable. By managing your expenses, making conscious spending decisions, and sticking to a budget, you'll pave the way for financial stability and a brighter future. Lesson 3: Invest wisely. Now, let's talk about the concept of investing. Investing is like planting seeds that grow into mighty trees of wealth. It's not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you and generate even more income. In the book, The Richest Man in Babylon, various investment options are highlighted. These include real estate, stocks, and even entrepreneurship. Each avenue has its own unique benefits and risks, so it's important to do your research and find the approach that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. One key principle emphasized in the book is diversification. This means spreading your investments across different assets or industries to reduce risk. By diversifying your portfolio, you safeguard yourself against the ups and downs of any single investment and increase your chances of overall success. Another vital aspect of wise investing is thinking long-term. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. It's essential to have a patient mindset and understand that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying committed and allowing your investments to grow over time, you can reap the benefits of compounding returns. Now, let's get down to business and provide you with some actionable tips to get started with investing. Remember, everyone's financial journey is unique, so it's crucial to seek professional advice and tailor your approach to your specific circumstances. First, educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial experts. The more knowledge you acquire, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Next, start small. You don't need a fortune to begin investing. Look for low-cost investment options such as index funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs) that provide instant diversification and are suitable for beginners. Additionally, consider automating your investments. Set up regular contributions to your investment accounts, just like we discussed with saving earlier. This way, you'll ensure a consistent flow of funds into your investments, even during busy or uncertain times. Lastly, be patient and stay the course. Investing can have its ups and downs, but remember that successful investors stay invested for the long haul. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations and focus on your long-term goals. Now that you're armed with these insights, it's time to take action and embark on your investing journey. Remember, investing is a powerful tool for building wealth, but it requires careful consideration, diversification, and a long-term perspective. We've reached the end of our journey through the most crucial lessons from The Richest Man in Babylon. Let's quickly recap: paying yourself first, living within your means, and investing wisely. Remember, my friend, these timeless lessons are practical and applicable in any era. They empower you to prioritize your financial future, make conscious spending decisions, and let your money work for you. If you're eager to dive deeper into wealth accumulation, I highly recommend reading The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. It's a treasure trove of knowledge and inspiration. As we part ways, remember this quote: "The future is purchased by the present." So, make wise choices, invest in your future, and watch your wealth grow. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. Stay curious, stay determined, and keep building your path to financial abundance. Take care, and may your wealth journey be filled with joy and success.